Here na the place where you go dey hear the ogbonge tori concerning herbs, how you go fit take care of yourself with wetin God don provide for nature. Okay, you are welcome. So today I get special update for everybody. All right, now if you be the type wey dey get problem with joint pain, you dey get problem with joint pain, you no fit stretch your joint, you no fit fold your joint as a result of arthritis or rheumatism. Sometimes all this our papa and old mama dem dey get all this issue. Dem no fit stretch their finger, dem no fit move their leg because of arthritis. Even some young people sef dey find themselves in this kind of situation whereby you go wake up like this, you go see something swell up for your hand, you go see your joint swell up. No be say e dey pain you before, but you just see am say e swell up and you no fit fold am, you no fit stretch am. Na very big problem. So today I get update for everybody wetin fit clear am. All right, so now if you be the type wey you dey smoke and now you don get problem with your liver and your lungs, maybe e don dirty, you don get wahala there, this update na for you. Okay, this update na for you. Now if you also the type wey be say you go chop, food no go digest for your belle, you dey always dey complain of indigestion, make you no skip this video. Make sure say you watch this video to the end. All right, and if you also want to lose weight, but you just wan lose am with style, make people no even know say you dey lose weight, you go just lose am with style, no stress. Don't touch that die, because this update also na for you. So to everyone wey be say you no wan get problem for old age, okay, now you wan make sure say when you reach old age your brain go still dey kampe, you no wan make be say people dey shake you up and down, say na people dey carry you up and down. No, this update go work for you, go secure your old age wey be say when you reach old age, all this yamayama sickness no go follow you come old age. You understand me? Now this update also e good for the heart, e good for heart health, you understand, e dey good for heart health, and also e go prevent you from also carrying cancer. Okay, now na very simple thing wetin we wan talk about today. Na very simple thing, na something wey be say everybody fit do am for their house, and it's something wey be say e also dey available, no be wetin you go dey find up and down, e dey available, so you too can do it for your house. Very easy and simple. Okay, so now wetin we need na just turmeric. This is turmeric, na just turmeric na wetin we need, and you just get your grater, e don finish. These two things na wetin you need. Just carry this your turmeric, wash am thoroughly, make sure say sand no dey, no peel am at all. Just carry your grater, the side wey e smooth pass, like this side. So you see my own, I dey always dey use turmeric. Just carry am like this, grate am for this side wey e smooth like this, che like this, put am for a cup. After that, add hot water join am, cover am, leave am for some time, make e be say e cool to the extent wey you go fit drink am. The next thing you do now na to carry spoon, turn am. After you turn am finish, drink the water. If you be the type wey you go fit chew the chaff join am, good for you. If you no fit chew the chaff join am, drink only the water, throw away the chaff. Do am every day. Okay, do am every day. Make sure say you dey take am every day. You go see say your old age go dey secure, and all those pain wey you go dey feel for your body before, everything go clear, because turmeric strong for anti-inflammatory. The cucumber wey dey turmeric, e go clear all those yamayama wey dey your body. E go make your heart come back the way wey e suppose to be. Your liver go clear, e go shine. You go see say your lungs go dey free, e go clear. Okay, so remember, there is power in nature. Wetin una go do for me be say this video, make una share am, make everybody see am. People dey wey dey suffer from all these things, dem no get solution, but you now fit be solution to those people by sharing this video. Not just watch am just pass, no, share am to other people, make dem sef benefit. No forget to follow this page for video like this, so that you go fit dey take care of yourself with wetin God don provide for everybody. Thank you for watching my video. See you all in my next video.